Have a finished product, but can't make an animated logo? Don't want to waste hours on end on creating and animating its elements, or simply have no idea what it should look like? We're here to sort your problems out. Meet Loot. Now, with our pool of more than 1,500 ready-made animated items, it'll only take you a couple of minutes to choose the parts that comply with your task and assemble the finished item. All the elements are fully customizable, which enables you to change the duration of each part, use it in any resolution, and set up the animation as you please. Eventually, you get the chance to create millions of variations of your product. With Motion Bro, you choose the needed elements sorted into separate categories within the program and in real time. Ready-made projects are ideal for indie developers. They can be used in developing excellent intros and even creating NFT collections. Fully drawn and animated medals, achievements, badges, ranks, and many other things can be used to create a corporate video, showcase your product, or say, an in-game skill tree. You'll get a chance to save tons of time on creating your future videos. You'll also be able to choose placeholder animation presets to use your finished logo and get a perfect intro for your YouTube channel, movie, or any other audio-visual project. Use ready-made presets from over 16 different categories. We've created dozens of various themes, hundreds of additional special effects, and all sorts of presets to make your work as easy as possible. Be creative and get ready for magic along with the Loot.
Create a new composition and open the Motion Bro extension. Put the extension panel in a convenient place and select our preset Loot. As you can see, all elements are sorted into convenient categories and can be easily used in your projects. We've made over 1,500 pre-made achievements, medals, logos, loot boxes and more, but I'll show you how to create your own logo animation from a set of pre-made elements. Let's go to the Separate Elements category and apply the elements we like from the subcategories. First, let's choose a base for our future logo. Select a few pieces and apply one on top of the other. We will also select a few additional elements from the corresponding category. Enough for now, let's set up the selected elements. Move the Motion Bro panel to make it easier to work. Then with all the elements selected, right-click on the marker and select Update Markers from Source. Now we can easily change the duration of each of the elements. Temporarily turn off all layers and arrange each of the elements in the right place. Press the S button on your keyboard for quick scale. Now let's move the layers so that the animation is consistent. Let's see what happens. Okay, I like it. Let's dilute it with various effects. Let's add one shockwave effect and several effects with particles. Arrange the selected effects on the timeline. And let's see what happens. Perfect. Now let's add our logo using the animation presets. For example, this one. Let's go to the composition with a placeholder and replace the preset logo with a new one. I'll just use text, but you can upload your logo, image, video, or whatever you want here. As you can see, the logo appearance animation is applied automatically, like all other element animations. Now I will show one of the ways how to change the color of an element to another. Of course, you have access to the original Illustrator project, but I will do it easier so as not to open Illustrator separately. You just need to apply the Change to Color effect and adjust as you see in the video. Use the eyedropper tool and select the color you want to change. Then change the setting to Hue and Saturation and select the desired color. Let's change one more of the elements, for example. Some elements can be changed without applying additional effects. For example, particles or shockwave effects. They were created inside of the After Effects, so they are completely customizable inside the program. Looks almost done. Let's set the duration of the entire animation and apply a few more effects for beauty. Let's create the background. We will also translate our elements into 3D. Create a camera and move the elements apart to create a parallax effect while moving. This will add depth to the picture. Press the P button on the keyboard for quick position settings. Make a simple animation for an example. Let's add the last effect, glow, for our logo. Done. In 17 minutes we made a full-fledged intro that can be used in your product.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.